Hello and welcome to the Daily Synopsis by Bar and Bench, where we gave you a brief summary of the most important legal news of the day. The Delhi High Court on Wednesday rejected the plea filed by Gopal and Sushil Ansal seeking a suspension of their 7-year sentence for evidence tampering in connection with the 1997 Uphaar Cinema fire tragedy. The case arose from a devastating fire that took place in Delhi's Uphaar Cinema on June 13, 1997 and took 59 lives and left several people injured. A Delhi court in November 2021 had sentenced the Ansal brothers to 7 years imprisonment and a 2.25 crore fine each for tampering with the evidence in the Uphaar Cinema fire tragedy case. Chief Justice of India NV Ramana sarcastically said that the Supreme Court of India might have to constitute a separate bench for matters coming in from the state of Karnataka after Solicitor General Tushar Mehta sought the urgent listing of a case involving compensation for those affected by mining in the state. The large number of cases coming to the Supreme Court from the state of Karnataka prompted the Chief Justice to make this remark today. The Karnataka High Court on Wednesday continued hearing the petitions challenging the ban on hijab in the state's educational institutions. Senior advocate Ravi Verma Kumar, appearing for one of the petitioners, argued that neither the provisions of the Karnataka Education Act nor the rules prescribe any uniform for students in the state's educational institutions. Referring to the diversity of India and the fact that persons from other faiths can wear religious symbols like turbans, bangles and crosses, Kumar asked why the girl students were being singled out on the basis of wearing the hijab. He also stated that these college development committees did not have the authority to prescribe uniforms, and he also pointed out that these CDCs were being run by an MLA who represented a political party and a particular ideology. Giving administrative powers to such MLAs could be a death blow, he said. The court will continue hearing the arguments on behalf of the petitioners this Thursday. A Gujarat cop who was spotted drinking Coca-Cola during a virtual court hearing drew the ire of the Gujarat High Court. A bench headed by Chief Justice Arvind Kumar asked the cop to distribute 100 cans of the aerated drink to the bar. The can shows it's Coca-Cola, but we don't know the contents of it. Is he an IPS officer? Is this the way an officer acts? The Chief Justice remarked. The bench also sought the appearance of the police officer as a respondent in this case. The Gujarat High Court on Tuesday issued notice to the state government on a public interest litigation seeking a direction to the government of Gujarat to consider banning loudspeakers in mosques. A division bench of Chief Justice Arvind Kumar and Justice Ashutosh Shastri issued notice on the plea moved by one Dharmendra Vishnubhai, a doctor based in the Gandhinagar district of Gujarat. The plea said that the use of loudspeakers causes great disturbance to the public at large and that the citizens cannot be forced to listen to something that they do not want to hear.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.